Hey Joe, remember the time we just came from Korea? We went to a park?
Oh yeah, I remember that place. The one at the park, right?
Oh yeah, you wanna go?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my god. What the man? Yo, what the f happened here, man?
Sorry boys, we're tearing down the forest for Mr. Honest new mall.
What did you say, man?
Sorry boys, we're tearing down the forest for Mr. Honest new mall.
What the f? Oh no, I killed that guy, man. I killed that guy. This is our playground. We play every day.
Sorry ma'am, just following orders. You gotta understand.
No! Bro, let's find that on a dip.
Hell yeah, dude, let's do it.
Anna! Mr. Anna!
Where are you, Anna?
Every project we have. Looking for me.
What's going on here?
Breakfast.
What's going on here?
Progress. My malls are the fastest growing chain in the Philippines.
What about the environment, man?
Yeah, what you do is not moral. Moral. Moral.
You're bad, you're bad. If I care about morality, I challenge you to a standoff.
A challenge, huh? Well, I accept your challenge, Mr. Honor. For Sir Mac.
Draw!
Joey, watch out! No, Joey! I'm gonna kill you, Anna!
It was all a dream. Wait! Stop! Stop the construction! Foreman, we have to stop construction.
Why? Why now, Mr. Anna? You've poured millions of dollars into this industry.
Because it's immoral. Immoral. Immoral.
Well, if you insist, then my old Tredtwo prof Sir Mac said, you can always start somewhere.
It's alright.